Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's menu, we're making Valentine's Day Cakesicles. Please subscribe if you like this video. First, you're gonna need a mold and 2 types of chocolate. I got my mold off of Amazon. You can get them for about, I believe, $7. Melt your chocolate, and we're gonna use a spatula to put the chocolate in the molds. Use your spatula to move the chocolate all around the Cakesicle mold. You want everything fully covered. I know in some videos they do 2 coats, but I just do 1 coat because I think it's a waste of chocolate. I'm gonna make sure that the chocolate is covering the entire mold. Once you know the chocolate fully covers everything, add your popsicle stick in the little insert at the bottom, and then do the same exact thing in each different color, and then I'm gonna place these in the freezer for 5 minutes. After I think I'm all finished, I flip my mold upside down to check to see if I missed any spots, and I did end up missing a spot. And if you don't check for missed spots, you'll end up having a hole and it'll just be cake when you take your Cakesicle out. Once you checked your missed spots, place this in the freezer for 5 minutes. Now I'm just taking a square vanilla cake and I'm crumbling it with a glove, and then I'm just gonna add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of icing in there, and then I'm gonna mix this all together to create my cake for my Cakesicle. You'll know your mixture is done when you can create a ball and it does not fall apart. So here's my mold out the freezer. I'm gonna fill each mold up 3/4 of the way. You do not want to fill it up to the rim because then you won't have enough space for your chocolate. And I'm just using my finger to smooth it out to make sure that it's packed and firm. I'm going to continue doing this for the rest, and then we're going to add the chocolate. Once you added the cake 3/4 of the way full, melt your chocolate again because it's probably hardened up by now, and add this to each of the molds and try to smooth it out with your spatula. You should have enough room since we only filled it 3/4 of the way. Another trick is to take an icing spatula once you're done and scraping the top off so you get a smooth finish. Once it's as smooth as you can get it, place this in the freezer for 5 minutes. Take them out the freezer and start to peel the edges off of each, just so that it's easier for us to take them out. Once you peeled all of the edges, grab a wax paper or parchment paper, and then we're going to start to take them out. So I like to push them and then push the stick, and they pop right out since we peeled the edges already. So push the outside of the mold and then take your other hand and push the popsicle stick, and they should glide right out. Now with my leftover white and red chocolate, I added those to a piping bag, and now I'm going to decorate them. So I'm just going to do small circles all around, and then I'm going to take my white chocolate and do the same thing for the red Cakesicles. You can absolutely leave them like this, or since Valentine's Day is coming up, I'm going to add some white, red, and pink sprinkles to it. Now I'm taking my white chocolate and I'm going to do the same exact thing. I decided to take the leftover chocolate and make these little hearts out of the heart mold that I have, and then I just put chocolate on the back of it and place them at the bottom. Here is the Valentine's Day gift box that I created. I decided to add 2 cupcakes, a bottle of wine, and these little chocolate molds that I have. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you would like to see more videos.